Hello friends! Today's practice is a gentle 20-minute morning flow, simple and grounding on the outside, but with enough depth to awaken and challenge you in subtle ways. It's the perfect way to start your day with clarity and ease. If you're new here, or if you'd like to stay connected, I'd love for you to subscribe so we can keep practicing together. Now let's begin. Find a comfortable seat. Let your spine grow tall and soften your shoulders. Close your eyes if that feels good this morning. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a long, steady breath out. Inhale again, filling up with fresh energy. Exhale, softening into the space around you. Stay with this rhythm, letting your body arrive and letting your mind find quietness. If you're ready, let's come onto hands and knees in a tabletop position. Take one full resetting breath. Begin to move your body in small, subtle ways. Maybe a gentle sway of your hips, a soft roll of your head and neck. Just notice. Where is the tightness today? Where does the body feel open? Where is there tenderness or even a little strain? Let's take a moment to give some care to your wrists. Slowly spin your fingertips out to the sides and then back toward your knees. Keep the pressure light, just enough to feel the stretch. When you're ready, flip your palms, bringing the tops of your hands to the mat, fingers pointing toward you. Keep it gentle, no forcing. Breathe into the sensation. Most importantly, listen to your own body. Move in a rhythm that feels right for you this morning, making small adjustments so your wrists feel supported, not strained. On your inhale, drop the belly, lift the heart and tailbone. On your exhale, round the spine, press the floor away, chin to chest. Keep moving like this with your breath. As many rounds as feel good for you. Stay with the traditional cat-cow, or if your body wants more, begin to ripple forward. Push your spine forward, glide into a gentle upward dog. Broaden through your collarbones, lift your gaze, and then ripple back into your cat. Notice how the spine opens when you add that wave. Let the movement be fluid like a current running through you. When you feel complete, meet me back in a neutral tabletop. Next, let's move into thread the needle. From tabletop, inhale and sweep your right arm to the sky. Take a moment here to gently rotate through your wrist. Exhale, slowly thread the arm underneath, resting your shoulder and the side of your head on the mat. Pause here for a few breaths. I offer two options today. Either extend your left arm overhead, focusing on length and spaciousness, or wrap it around your back, deepening into the twist. Choose the one that feels suitable for you now and breathe into it. When you're ready, let's add some flows. Inhale, unthread the arm back to the sky. Exhale, thread it under. Continue like this 3 times, letting each round be smooth, unhurried, and guided fully by your breath. After your last round, return to tabletop. Inhale and sweep your left arm to the sky. Take a moment to rotate through the wrist here, loosening it up, feeling the joint open. Exhale, slowly thread the arm underneath, lowering your shoulder and cheek to the mat. Pause for a few breaths. Again, you can extend your right arm forward or wrap it around your back, deepening into the twist. Let your body guide you toward what feels best this morning. When you're ready to flow, inhale the arm back to the sky. Exhale, thread it under. Take 3 rounds like this. Slow, intentional, smooth. After your last round, gently return to tabletop, finding a neutral spine and steady breath. Tuck your toes under, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lift your hips back and up into downward facing dog. Take a couple of breaths here just to reset and restore. Press evenly through your palms, let your head hang heavy, and keep a soft bend in the knees so the spine feels long. Feel the space opening across your back body. Let the posture settle a little more deeply into you. Take a deep inhale and gaze forward between your hands. On your exhale, step your feet up toward the top of your mat, folding softly over your legs. On your next inhale, slowly rise all the way up to standing, stacking your spine one vertebra at a time. As you exhale, bring your palms together in front of your heart and take a breath to feel yourself arrive, grounded, steady, present. When you are ready, inhale, reach your arms all the way up to the sky. Exhale, side bend gently to the right, lengthening through your left side body. Inhale, come back to center, arms high. Exhale, side bend to the left, opening through your right side. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, a small back bend. Lift the chest, broaden through the collarbones. Inhale, rise back to center. Exhale, fold forward over your legs. Keep a soft bend in your knees so the spine can release. If it feels good in your body, you might wrap your arms around your shins, drawing yourself in closer. From here, plant your left palm on the floor and bend your left knee slightly. Twist from your center to the right, sending your right arm to the sky. Option to stay, option to release your right arm behind your back. Let your gaze be easy. Forward, or maybe up over the right shoulder. Slowly fold back to center, switch sides. Right palm plants down, right knee bends. Reaching the left arm high or wrapping it behind you, choose the option that feels steady. Exhale, release back to center. Inhale, lengthen halfway up, spine long. Exhale, step back into a high plank. Shift your body slightly forward, then lower down into low plank. Inhale, ripple the chest open into upward facing dog. Exhale, lift the hips back into downward facing dog. Inhale and gaze forward. Exhale, step to the top of your mat and fold forward. Inhale, lengthen halfway up, spine long. Exhale, fold forward over your legs. On your next inhale, rise all the way up into mountain pose, arms reaching overhead. Exhale, side bend gently to the right. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, back through center. Exhale, a small back bend. Open the chest, lift the heart. Now release your hands behind you and interlace the fingers at your lower back. Take a full breath in here. As you exhale, fold forward over your legs, pressing your knuckles away from your spine. Stay for a couple of breaths. You might sway gently side to side, letting the shoulders soften and the chest open. On your next exhale, release your hands down to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back through high plank and lower slowly to low plank. Inhale, open the chest into upward dog. Exhale, lift the hips back into downward dog. Take one big breath in here and a long, complete breath out. From down dog, inhale and lift your right leg high into three-leg dog. Exhale, slowly open the hip into Scorpio, bending the knee and letting the foot fall toward the left side. Breathe here, steady and strong. On your next inhale, extend the right leg back up to the sky. Exhale, step it forward into a low lunge. Gently lower your left knee down. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead into crescent low lunge. Take one full breath here. Another inhale, reaching taller. And exhale, palms come to prayer in front of your heart. Inhale, lean forward slightly. Exhale, twist to the right, hooking the left elbow outside your thigh. Breathe deeply into the twist. Spine long, heart turning open. When you're ready, inhale and unwind back up into crescent low lunge. Arms high. Exhale, fold back into half split. Stack hips over the left knee. Straighten your right leg. Flex the toes upward. Stay here for 3 to 5 breaths. Notice how your body begins to adjust the longer you hold. To deepen, keep flexing the toes and fold your torso closer to the leg. but only as far as feels respectful for your body today. When you're ready, inhale, shift the hips forward. Exhale, place both hands to the inside of your right foot, stepping into lizard pose. Begin gently rocking forward and back, easing into the stretch. If it feels right, lower your elbows to the mat. Breathe into the opening through the hips. Press back into your palms. Inhale to lift the chest. Exhale, spiral your right arm behind you, bend your left knee. Press heel into palm, engaging the thigh muscles as the chest opens. Stay here for a couple of breaths, steady and strong. When you're ready to release, return both hands to the floor. On your inhale, shift back toward pyramid pose, lengthening the front leg. Exhale, rock forward again into lizard. Move back and forth like this a few times, letting the spine ripple in soft waves with each transition. Now let's settle back into lizard. Inhale, sweep the right leg up into three-leg dog. Exhale, return to downward dog. Take one deep, steady breath in and a long, complete breath out. Inhale, and lift your left leg high into three-leg dog. Exhale, slowly open the hip into scorpio twist, bending the knee and letting the foot drop toward the right side. On your inhale, extend the leg back up. Exhale, step it forward into your lunge and lower the right knee down. Inhale, reach both arms overhead, lifting into crescent low lunge. Feel the space opening across your chest. With your next exhale, hands draw into prayer at the heart. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, revolve to the left, right elbow hooking to the outside of the thigh. Breathe here, stay grounded through the legs as the upper body turns. On your inhale, unwind and rise again, arms floating overhead. Exhale, ease back into half split, hips stack over the right knee, left leg stretches long, toes flexing back. We'll hold for 3 to 5 breaths. Allow the stretch to deepen gradually. If it feels right, fold a little closer to the leg, but always with ease. Inhale, glide the hips forward. Exhale, bring both hands to the inside of the left foot, setting up for lizard pose. Adjust the foot wider if you'd like more room. Take a slow inhale here. On the exhale, begin to rock forward and back, waking up the hips. If it's accessible, lower down onto the forearms, softening into the posture. Press through the palms. Inhale to lift the chest. Exhale, spiral the left arm behind you as the right knee bends. Press heel into hand and open across the chest. Pause and breathe into the strength and stretch together. When you're ready, return both hands to the mat. Inhale, shift back toward pyramid, lengthening through the front leg. Exhale, roll forward again into lizard. Continue this gentle exchange a few times, letting your spine ripple smoothly with the movement. After your last round, land back in lizard. Inhale, sweep the left leg high into three-leg dog. Exhale, release into downward dog. Take a long breath in and let it go completely. From down dog, lower your knees gently to the mat and sit back onto your heels. Place just your fingertips on the mat beside you for light support. When you're ready, slowly begin to lift your knees off the ground. Bring your hands together in prayer at your heart. Breathe here as the stretch rises from the tops of the feet, through the ankles, along the shins, and up into the thighs. Let it be steady, not forced, just enough to feel that long line of opening. Stay for a couple of breaths, noticing how your body receives the stretch. Then gently lower your knees back down when you're ready. From your kneeling seat, let's move into hero pose. Bring your knees together and separate your feet just wide enough to sit down between them. If this feels intense, you can always place a block or cushion beneath your hips for support. If you're ready to go deeper, walk your hands behind you and lower onto your elbows. Keep your chest open, chin soft, and notice the stretch along the front of your body. And if your body allows, the final step is to lower all the way down onto your back. Arms can rest alongside you or overhead for an even greater opening. Wherever you are, close your eyes and breathe. Feel the line of stretch traveling from the tops of your feet, through the thighs, and up into the front body. Stay for a few breaths, letting your body gradually release. When you're ready to come out, bring your hands back beside you for support. Gently rise up, step by step, the same way you came in, and bring yourself to tabletop. From tabletop, extend one leg straight back behind you. Flex through the toes and stretch long through the heel, waking up the back of the leg. Then switch sides, lengthening the other leg, flexing the toes, pressing through the heel. Let the legs release and the knees reset after the deep bend. Gently make your way to a seated position with both legs extended long in front of you. Inhale, reach your arms up to lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward over your legs, softening wherever your body allows. Stay here for a few breaths, or as long as feels good, letting the back body release. When you're ready, roll down onto your back. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh for figure 4. Keep your right foot flexed to protect the knee. If it feels right, gently draw the left knee in toward your chest. Use only as much pressure as your body allows today. Let the legs fall across to the left for a gentle supine twist. Open your right arm out to the side, gaze soft, and stay for a few breaths. Come back to center and switch sides. Left ankle crosses over right thigh. Pull the right knee toward your chest to deepen the stretch, breathing into the hip. Then release into a twist to the right. Left arm opening, steady breath. Return to center. Draw both knees into your chest. Wrap your arms around your shins and squeeze into a small ball. And when you're ready, let it all go. Extend your legs, soften your arms by your sides. Close your eyes. Rest fully into Savasana. Thank you for sharing your morning practice with me today. Remember, each breath and each movement is a step toward your own strength and peace. Carry this clarity and calm into the rest of your day. If this flow supported you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who might need a little morning reset. I'd also love to hear how it felt for you. Drop a comment below so we can keep this community growing. Until next time, keep moving with kindness. And when you feel ready, press yourself up to a comfortable seat, keeping the eyes soft or closed. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching.